What's happening, REC TEC family? Ray Carnes, co-founder of REC TEC Grills. I'm here with my buddy.
Stevie FREDRICKS, Twisted Burrito, Evans, Georgia.
Yeah, that's your cue to say
Oh,
something.
I forget every now.
So we're doing a stuffed bruschetta portobello, which is one of my favorite things. I love portobellos. It's like a steak to me. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna de-vein these. Stevie's gonna show you how right here.
De-gill them.
De-gill them.
Vein them,
Same.
Close enough.
Close enough. You chiffonade them.
Yeah. And you'll see exactly what we're talking about. When you get in there, they look like they have gills.
So you take the stem off and you throw it on the floor like Stevie did earlier, and then you de-gill it.
Not the mushroom, the stem.
With the stem you take out and then you...
Yeah, you always put the stems on the floor.
Yeah. All right.
And you get that product.
We're gonna make this bruschetta, okay? So we've got 10 ROMA tomatoes diced, and we have some scallions. We got some Colden's Freakin Greek. We got some shallots here. The amounts are gonna be listed below. Spinach, chiffonade.
Chiffonade spinach?
Inside joke, sorry. And some basil.
Sink, yeah, sink.
Oh yeah.
Sink.
Some Parmesan, some garlic, and some red wine vinegar. About a tablespoon there.
Got it.
All right, so we're gonna mix this up. Use the best tool you got is your hands. Mix this up. We're gonna stuff these. We're gonna put them on the REC TEC at 375 for about an hour. No, about 20. I know, I'm getting excited. About 25 minutes. And then the last 10 minutes, we're gonna put some mozzarella on top. So we're gonna stuff these. I'm gonna show you, you want about 4 to 5 ounces on each one. That's about 4.5 ounces right there.
Perfect.
Like this. Go on the REC TEC 375, about 25 minutes. We'll see you at the REC TEC. So we got these stuffed bruschetta portobello mushrooms.
Very good.
And they look incredible. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna drizzle these with a little balsamic glaze. So this little drizzle my nizzle.
Drizzle the manizzle. Sautés.
Sauté.
All
right, we got problems. So we're gonna cut this up. These guys look incredible. That's your hat, buddy.
Thanks, fella.
Let's see how they are. I got your fork.
Yeah,
Hang on.
still your fork.
Swapped up forks. The old fork switch. Ooh. Oh man. One of my faves. Cheers. That's crazy good. Crazy
That is
good.
delicious.
You gotta try this one.
It's
That's
like a
good.
steak.
One more bite. It is. It's like a steak, man.
It's like a steak. Deep, rich flavor, delicious. The drizzle manizzle.
You did excellent with the drizzle manizzle.
The drizzle manizzle.
Check us out, RecTecGrills.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for grilling with us today, man. Take care, man. See you at the REC TEC.